iCord is really easy to make on the machine. So I'm working with a Red Hart Super Saver pink yarn that I've had in my stash probably for at least a decade, maybe 2. And because it is such a bulky weight, we're going to go every other needle. So every other needle out into work. And then an E-wrap cast on. And thread it into the carriage. And then just shove a claw weight in there. And hold on to the tail. Then set the carriage to slip in one direction and knit in the other. Should probably actually go this way because I'm starting on the right. Make sure the gate's shut. Is my yarn feeding? Yes. Okay. And then in one direction it will knit. In the other it will slip. So you wind up with these long thingies that aren't connected to anything. And then just keep going. Some loopy bits. Let me fix that. Frog. All right. So this doesn't have quite enough weight with the claw weight, so we're just gonna hook the big boy into the tail, and I'm gonna keep going until I have knit all of my pink yarn. At the end, pull all of the loops onto the double-eyed tool. Thread the yarn tail through the other eye and pull it through. Now it's time to knit the iCord. I found these 15mm wooden needles on Amazon. I'll link them below. And I'm using just a long tail cast on. The average adult human head is about 22 inches in circumference. Knits stretch so you can get away with some negative ease. I'm knitting this one flat, so I need a piece that is at least 10 inches wide. With these needles, that's 12 stitches. Slip the first stitch for a better selvage edge, and then just work stockinette until you run out of iCord. I usually knit continental, but with yarn this thick, it's easier to throw. steam the crap out of it because this is such a thick piece. Sew the edges together and weave in the ends.